pleasant morning to one and all. Hello student, welcome to the digital education system of Sri Academy. This is the lecture for class 7th, and as you know nowadays I am teaching you about simple interest, okay? And yesterday I gave you so many important information about this chapter. So today I want to teach you some other question of exercise 12b. So without taking too much time, I want to start our new exercise. At first I want to tell you the formula of simple interest. So SI means simple interest is equal to P multiple R multiple T by 100. P stand for principal and R stand for rate of interest and T stand for time. Okay. Question number 1 is that find the SI means simple interest on the amount of when principal is equal to 6400, rate of interest is equal to 6% per annum and time is equal to 2 years. The solution, at first you mention down what is given here. P 6400, R 6% per annum and time 2 year. So SI is equal to PRT by 100. P means 6400 multiple 6 multiple 2 divided by 100. 20 and 20 will clash here. Answer is 768. Then amount is equal to P plus SI means 6400 plus 768. Answer is 7168 rupees. Is that clear, student? Now question number 2 is that principal is equal to 2650 rupees, rate 8% per annum and time 2 whole 1 by 2 years. Okay. Then you write here SI is equal to PRT by 100 means 2650 multiple 8 multiple 2 to the 4 1 5 by 2 multiple 1 by 100. Okay. Now 10 and 10 will clash here. Answer will 530 rupees. Then amount is equal to 2650 and plus 530. Then your answer will 3180 rupees. Okay. Next question is that principal is equal to 1500 rupees, rate of interest is equal to 12% per annum and time is equal to 3 years 3 months. 3 years 3 months means 3 whole 1 by 4. Okay. Then SI is equal to 1500 multiple 8 multiple 13 by 4 multiple 1 by 100. 20 and 20 will clash here. 4 to the 8 will clash here. Then answer will 585 rupees. Then amount is equal to 1500 plus 585 means 2085 rupees is answer. Now question number 4 is that find the SI, find the amount when principal is equal to 9600 rupees, rate 7 whole 1 by 2% and time 5 months. You write it principal 9600, R 7 whole 1 by 2 means 7 to the 14 1 15 by 2% and time 5 months means 5 by 12 years. Now give the formula of SI. So SI is equal to 9600 multiple 15 by 2 multiple 5 by 12 multiple 1 by 100. Okay. 20 and 20 will clash here. 12 at 96 and 2 4 8. Then answer is equal to 15 5 75, 75 300. Okay. Then amount is equal to 9600 plus 300 is equal to 9900 is answer. Okay student, all of you understand? If you have any type of problem, then you discuss on Zoom class or in my personal WhatsApp number. Okay. Next question is that principal is equal to 5000 rupees, rate is equal to 9% per annum and time is equal to 146 days. Rate 9%, time 146 by 365. Okay. You convert it into year. In 1 year 365 days, तो 146 by 365 years हो जाएगा. ओके. Then SI is equal to 5000 multiple 9 multiple 146 by 365 multiple 1 by 100. 20 and 20 will clash here. So answer is rupees 180. Then amount is equal to 5000 plus 180 is equal to 5180 rupees. यही ना पानी बंद हो गई. Next question is that principal is equal to 9540 rupees, SI 1908 rupees and rate of interest 8% per annum. You find the time. तो सॉल्यूशन टाइम का फॉर्मूला होता है टाइम इज इक्वल टू 100 मल्टीपल SI बाय P मल्टीपल R. ओके, तो 100 मल्टीपल 1908 by 9540 multiple 8. When you will class it, तो answer is 5/2. You convert it into the mixed fraction, so 2 whole 1 by 2 years is answer. Okay. Next question is that find the rate when principal 8250 rupees, SI 1100 and time 2 years. So formula of rate of interest, तो R is equal to 100 multiple SI by P multiple R. तो 100 multiple 1100 by 8250 multiple 2. When you will class it, तो answer is 20/3 and you convert it into the mixed fraction, तो answer is 6 whole 2 by 3%. Okay student. Next question, principal 3560, amount 4521 rupee 20 paise and time 3 years. Then you write SI is equal to A minus P. So 4521.20 minus 3560, answer is 961.20. You write the formula for A chupra 100 multiple P but so 100 multiple 96120 by 3560 multiple 100 multiple 3 and you will class it. So answer is R is equal to 9% per annum. Okay. Next question is that the simple interest on a certain sum of 3 years at 10% per annum is rupees 829.50. To find the sum, at first you consider कि let the sum be X rupees, then SI is equal to 829.50. Now formula P is equal to SI multiple 100 by 100 multiple 10 multiple 3. Okay, तो 82,950 multiple 100 by 100 multiple 10 multiple 3. The 100 and 100 will clash here, 0 and 0 will clash here. So P is equal to 2065. So the sum of money is equal to 2765 rupees. Okay student. So all of you solve all this question into your fair copy and you revise all question again and again for your upcoming examination. So thank you and have a very wonderful day. Stay home and stay safe.